Okay, now so let's start with the setting we were actually trying to explain earlier. So now what I want to do first is to go about, I'll go to more, then I'll go to edit page. So I'll click on edit page. You can see, so you can, when you were creating the page, you selected some services, so you can see it's things you can still select about your page. If it's a public figure, you select. If it's a restaurant or cafe, so if it's shopping video page, you pick standard page, you pick. So that's it about that services. If you are not sure of the service, you can just pick the service. Then you can see this current one is services. So page header is more like what is on the page, on the top of the page, which is cover photo. This is the cover photo and this is the image. For now, I will advise you don't touch the cover photo because we want a professional cover photo, and that should be done when you are done with your visibility. Like you've created your Instagram, you created your website, you can put anything so that you edit later, but ensure your your page has a cover photo that is where communicating. People see your cover photo, they know what you have. You can have your contacts here, your information, so that people will visit your page instantly. They know what it is and they don't need to ask for your contact, or they don't need to struggle to chat you. They can call you, WhatsApp you, Instagram you, website, email. You can put amazing stuff, put up some professional graphics and drop them here. So now the only thing I'm going to do is to change the logo of this brand. So I'm going to import a new logo. You can see this is one thing with Facebook, it has limit to which you can display your logo. So I'm going to edit this logo and reduce it. I'll reduce the size. There's a standard size for Facebook profile logo, so you can get to understand that. Every graphic designer should know about that. So in designing your graphics, ensure they do that for you. So now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to reduce this. Yes, I think this will be okay. Or I can just decide to reduce the size to a 2x2 size square. Or Facebook profile picture, you can see Pixel about Facebook profile square, you can see. So I can decide to put this here and save. That's it. So I'll go back to my Facebook page and select a new one. I'll select a new one. Okay, you can see it fits in now. So it's just for me to, okay, Kingsway, I think it's cool. So I'll save it now. So we have added a new logo to our page. Let's see, let's refresh. Okay, while it's still loading, let's go back. Still under this, you can see page information. We are going to add information about our page. Now you can change your page name here. I'm going to change this one now from what it is to a new name, which is King's Word. So while it loads, okay, I'll change it to King's Word. I pray it doesn't exist. I pray it doesn't exist because I didn't make proper research if someone is already using it. So let me see. Let me continue. Oh my goodness. Enter a new page name. Facebook reviews changes. Looks like you already manage a page named King's Word. Okay, let me see if I can do some adjustment. Let me see. Wow, you can see this is working. So I will request changes, and if you do this, it may take up to 3 days before they will review, but it can still be approved instantly. You can't really tell. So you click on this. Let's wait while they approve it. Wow, instantly it has been approved. So now let's see if our logo is appearing. Our logo is up already, so we are done. So the next thing we are going to do, which is going to be later, is on our cover photo. So let's still continue with our, we are working on still page editing, and we are still adding informations. This is business service, no website yet. We'll do this later. You can see I already added a description about the brand. You can see I've added a contact for the brand, and I will need to add email. I already added a WhatsApp button, or a message button you can activate by connecting your WhatsApp to the page and activate WhatsApp button. You can see location is Port Harcourt. You can see always open. So this is it. I'm done with this very one. So the next thing is going to be on setting, which I will explain on the next video.